and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Finally! You can stop throwing your hard-earned money on expensive hosting companies that charge you hundreds or even thousands of dollars every single year. With Perpetual Host, you can host unlimited websites and domains at an insanely low one-time fee. Is that it? Not at all. We also include unlimited multi-cloud NVMe storage for all your files, images, audios, and videos. You can also create and sell limitless websites and funnels. We include dozens of inbuilt templates in different niches. And you can create unlimited email addresses. That's right! You pay once and you can use all of it forever. What's even better is, with a small investment, you'll enjoy the benefit of hosting your websites using world's premier blockchain-based SSD hosting technology. With unlimited bandwidth and 99.9% uptime guarantee. If that's not enough, you'll get super fast website loading, free SSLs for all websites, data security, regular site backups, top-notch tech support, and more. All this is available for you without additional cost. We know how frustrated you are with your current web hosting and cloud storage. Not mentioning very expensive website and funnel creators. Because even though you're paying them a lot of money every month, you still deal with many issues. Issues like security vulnerabilities, slow speeds, website traffic overload, server crashes, no website backup, database errors. To top it off, unless you're paying for a premium service, customer support just doesn't take your issues seriously. Far too often, you're left in the dark and lose money because your website is inaccessible. Once you switch to Perpetual Host, all that will be a thing of the past. You'll never have to worry about slow website speed that can lead to lower conversions and missed sales opportunities. Your websites will load much faster on our ultra-fast blockchain-based SSD servers. And yes, we offer a 99.9% uptime guarantee. That alone will give you peace of mind, knowing your websites will be up and running, making you sales 24 hours a day without a hiccup. And last but not least, we promise a much better service than what you get from expensive website hosting companies. We'll always be ready to help you 24 hours a day. For a silly low launch period, only price of $17. You can gain access to all the amazing features we offer on this page. So why wait? Switch to Perpetual Host today and start saving money and earning potential commissions at the same time. Of course, you are fully protected by our 365 days money-back guarantee. Yes, we're putting our money where our mouth is. You can test drive Perpetual Host, and if you don't like it, we'll send you your money back. Click on the Buy Now button below this video. We can't wait to personally connect with you on the next page.